Hello dear teachers, hope you all are doing good. As you all must be aware that our school has planned to start the online classes for our higher standards from 3rd of April 2020. So this video is basically to demonstrate you that how we are going to use the app and what all the settings we have to do in our phone to give an efficient lecture. So firstly what you have to do is go to the Play Store, and in Play Store download the Zoom meeting cloud meetings. In the search box here type Zoom. The first option that you get, click over it and install this particular app in your phone. After installing the app, open the app. When you open the app, by default I have logged in to my account. Let me first log out. This will be your first screen, home screen, that you will get when you will open Zoom app in your phone after installing. What you have to do is, it will be better if you can sign up. Give your email ID, first name, last name. Check this option button. I agree to terms of service and click next. You will get signed up here. After signing up, sign in. As I have already created my account, so I will click on sign in. Type your details here. It will get signed in, and this will be the first screen that you will see after signing into the Zoom app. Options you are able to see: new meeting, join, schedule, share screen, meet and chat, meetings, contacts, settings. Now we have to start a new meeting, so click on new meeting. These will the options it will give you. First one is video on. When we enable this button, then we will be able to see ourselves in the camera, or our video will be visible to the participants. And the second is use personal meeting ID. When we are creating our account on Zoom app now, this is the particular number that we get from the it's like a meeting room number. So it will be easy for our students ki they will use the same number, like it's this number 753410. This number is my meeting ID. So when my classes will be there, my lecture will be there, the student have to enter this number only each time. So I prefer that. I also request you to prefer this option, to enable this option, because it will be easy for the students to enroll or to log into our classes easily. And after doing enabling these options, start a meeting, click on start a meeting. Once we click on start a meeting, our video will be visible to the students. What we have to do is, see, if we will teach the students by through video or by using our camera, it will not be easy for us, because it will become hectic कि हम pen और paper use कर रहे हैं. So I suggest you guys, what you can do, prepare a PDF of your lectures one day before and share. When you will click on share, when you will click on share, you will must be aware where click document. It will show the different folders in which your document is there. Open that document, that particular folder. Like suppose my lecture is with this name, and click on share. When you will click on share, your PDF file will be visible. From here you will shift to the pages, or simply slide. By sliding also will be able to move to the pages, or to swipe the pages. Now what, by putting our fingers we can zoom in also, and we can zoom out also. The interesting thing in this is that we have this option, annotations. These annotations will help us to deliver our lecture in an efficient way, and we can be able to use the technology. See, spotlight is there. Spotlight is basically, if you want to spot to a particular line, you can use this. pen is there, you want to explain or you want to write something for the students, you want to write the formula, you can want to solve the question, or you want to write the answer, you will use pen option. Now from color you can select any color, whichever color you want, and also the length line width of our pen. Like if I am selecting this one, then rational, and by using the eraser we would be able to erase it. स्पेसिफिकली मैं किसी एक टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ और मैं स्टूडेंट्स को उसके बारे में बता रही हूँ, तो वी कैन यूज़ हाईलाइटर फॉर दैट, and from here you can change the color of your choice, and after using you want to erase, just erase it. Or if you want to clear your whole screen, what you can do, just press clear, your whole screen will get cleared, and this will help us to deliver our lecture efficiently. After doing this, what you will do, I want to explain you few settings also. Like mute is by pressing the mute I will get mute, and we want to show your video, you want to start your video, just undo this. After doing this, if you want to stop the sharing of your screen, stop share. Here you will get to know the participants who all had joined the meeting. The interesting option in this is mute all. Sorry. In this, what is this? If I select mute all, then I will be able to mute all the participants. It would be possible that the students are not able to mute themselves, and it might be possible that we are getting disturbed the noise we are getting from other participants. So I suggest you all that after joining the meeting, mute all the participants. And here the chat option is there. If you want to write anything, if you want to give anything, any information or anything, you can do chat here also. After this, there are some more settings like meeting settings. In meeting settings, here in the meeting topic, give your you can give a topic name here, like the maths class 1. Done. Sorry. Here our topic will be like this only, meeting topic. Log meeting, if we enable this option, then no new participants will be able to join our meeting. So if we enable this option, no more students will be able to join our meeting, our lecture. And log share option, if I suggest you all to enable this log share option, because if we enable this option, no student will be able to share their screen with us or to share their screen with the other participants. So I suggest you all to enable this option for our efficient lecture. We will not get disturbed by anything. And mute on entry, if we enable this or we disable this option, we enable this option, then we will not be able to get any sound when new participant will join the meeting. Now allow participants to chat with, this is the option to whom you want to allow to chat with you. Show non-video participants, for this option also I suggest you, before continue your meeting, you enable this option, because it might be possible that some students are there who have turned on off their videos. If they have turned off their videos and we have not enabled this option, then we are not able to see them. So enable this option before starting your video lecture, so that you will be able to see your known video participants also. Show name with participants when participants join, this is also one of the important option, because by using this, by enabling this only, we will be able to know who all are the participants in our lecture, who all are the participants in our class, and it will help us to take the attendance. So enable the show name when participants join also. Allow participants to rename, by using this option they will be able to rename their name. If by mistake they have typed their wrong name, they will be able to rename their name again. So these all the options that you can set in the meeting settings. Hope you all get how we are going to continue our lectures, continue our classes from home. And after sharing your lecture, you can stop share here. And one more option I want to show you, that is if you want to explain something by writing, from here start video, and from here turn off your back camera. After turning off your back camera, you will be able whatever you want to write. So with these options we will be able to explain our chapters, our lectures efficiently. And after completing your meeting, you can end your meeting from here. Hope all teachers are now able to will be able to connect to the Zoom app and will be able to deliver their lecture efficiently. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Stay safe.